Okay, this is March 15th, 2011, and it is about 6:17 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and I just took a long trade at 38.77. Let's take a look at this. This is the 15-minute chart here. This ABC to the long side and this bull flag on the 15-minute failed overnight. I just woke up a bit ago and woke up to see that these areas did fail. Now if we take a look at the 30-minute chart, we came down and are sitting right on the lower bull flag trend line. We had made a head and shoulders pattern here overnight. Neckline broke and we're down. And the reason I took this long trade was the 1-hour chart here. If you fib from the most recent low to high, price came down, tested the 61.8, and on the 15-minute chart formed a bull pin bar. Okay, so below this level, this 61.8, if price comes below it, I'll take the trade off, therefore only risking about 30 pips. Targeting actually up here around the high even. Probably won't stay in the trade that long, but we'll have to see. Then if we look at the 4-hour chart, we will see here we have support. I believe this would be a right shoulder and the head and the making of an inverse forming off the 50% retracement here on the 4-hour chart. Now the 4-hour chart closes in 40 minutes, so we'll have to see where that closes, but it looks like we could have a inverse head and shoulders pattern forming here somewhere. Okay, I also want to mention on the let me get this back over here. Also want to mention on the 1-hour chart, we have bullish hidden divergence down here. Okay, we made a higher low than the previous low, but the MACD bars are lower than the previous MACD bars. So what we're trading is an A, B, C to the upside with bullish hidden divergence. Now because of everything going on over in Japan, that's most likely why we had this sell-off. But because of that is why we want to be really careful around here and go ahead and exit below here if we get there, because we could still have a lot more pressure to the downside with everything going on over there. So we'll have to wait and see on that. Alright, so I'm just going to pause this and see how this trade pans out. May just take small profits here and there. Here's the 15-minute chart. We'll definitely book profits as soon as I get some. Move stop to break even at that point. So we'll have to see when we get there. So I'll just pause this and try to walk through this trade as we go. Okay, so I'm still in that trade. I took half of the position off at plus 15 pips and put the stop to break even, and we'll see where it goes from here. This is the euro dollar long trade from 1.3877. Okay, just an update. We're very ready to get stopped out of this trade at break even, and we just did. But we made 15 pips on it. I'll look for another entry, reevaluate, and see what else we can get out of it. So I'll look for maybe another test down here or something like that. Possibly see what the candlesticks give me in the price action, and we'll be back with another trade. This is March 15th, 2011.